Hi guys! Welcome back for another quick house tour. My name is Leslie Lazarte Marcelino, your friendly real estate broker. Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng ready for occupancy, mabilis malipatan, at mababang cash out na house and lot dito sa Bacoor? If the answer is yes, then perfect na perfect itong bahay sa'yo. Welcome to Kathleen Place 5 here in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. For only 186,000 cash out, mapapasayo na itong napakagandang townhouse na to. This Kathleen Place townhouse is a 2-story townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and may 1 carport pa siya. And take note, kasama pa tong fence and gate. O diba, napakabongga. Kathleen Place 5 has a lot area of 60 square meters and your property line would start from this side, yan, ito, hanggang dito sa kabila. So that's your 60 square meters. It has a total floor area of 90 square meters. That's the total ng second floor and ground floor. Now, maganda pa dito sa bahay na to, high ceiling na siya and complete finish. So tara, pasukin natin. Welcome to Kathleen Place 5 here in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. The exact location is in Gawaran Avenue, Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, and we are selling townhouse unit, the inner unit, and we also have the end or corner unit. For our inner unit, Kathleen Place 5 offers 60 square meters lot area and 90 square meters floor area with a total 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 carport. By the way, kasama na yung fence and gate upon turnover. Napakaganda, di ba? This ready for occupancy unit can be turned over for as low as 186,000 cash out lang. Napakamura, meron ka pang 400,000 discount, di ba? Bonggang-bongga. So kung ikaw ay nagmamadaling lumipat, nangungupahan, mag-inquire ka na dahil baka maubusan ka pa. Tara, pasukin natin. Your fence and gate is the actual turnover, so fully painted. Metal gate tayo, and pagpasok ninyo, this is your carport. Ang maganda sa carport natin, guys, high ceiling tayo and sementado na yung inyong carport. Yan, painted white lang yung ating fence and elevated yung inyong ground floor. By the way, hindi po binabaha itong location natin dito sa Kathleen Place 5 in Molino. So, hindi siya binabaha. At the same time, maganda yung mga drainage, malalaki yung drainage system natin. So, pagpasok nyo, your main door is made of metal or steel door and complete finish yung loob ng house. So, you have here, yan, you have here granite tiles. You have here 60 by 60 granite tiles. And this is basically your living area. Maluwag siya kahit inner lot pa lang, no, maluwag na. And you have your dining and your kitchen. So, this model house is the dressed up. You just need to remove all the furnitures. Lahat ng movable items, yung mga ilaw na yan, ito na yung turnover. Okay, marami tayong mga RFO units, so huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi kayo maubusan agad, pero limited lang yan. Hindi sobrang dami. Limited number lang yan. And also, yung promo natin na 186 cash out, 400,000 discount, limited lang yan. Hanggang January 30 lang yan. Okay, so ituloy natin ang house tour. Ito yung inyong living area. And guys, this is your dining. Wow, look at your dining. Ang luwag, di ba? This dining can perfectly have an 8-seater dining set or 6-seater dining set. Hindi ka makukulangan sa space. And this is your kitchen. Ang kitchen mo, this is the actual turnover. Kasama na yung modular cabinets. And what I love about this kitchen, look at this. You have this beautiful granite finish countertop and stainless sink. Diba? Napakaganda. Ito talaga yung Kathleen Place, isa sa mga bestseller namin dahil sa mga Bacoor na properties, number one, murang-mura talaga siya for a complete finish. Gamit na lang ang kulang, malilipatan mo na. At the same time, malaki talaga yung floor area. Hindi ka mabibitin sa space. So here, I am standing on the laundry area. Sementado na din siya and open yung kanyang roofing. Kung gusto mo tong palagyan ng roofing, walang problema. Si buyer na magpapalagay. By the way, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms to. And you have your bathroom in the ground floor. So this is the first bathroom. Yan, ilawan ko lang. Yan. So all our bathrooms, floor to ceiling na yung tiles. Diba? Bongga. At yung ating mga fixtures, kompleto na din. May shower na din yan. Okay? So this is your laundry area. And by the way, all our windows are powder-coated sliding windows. And sa mga windows and doors, kasama na rin yung ating may screen. Ayan o, may screen na siya. So, built-in na yung screen natin. Very nice. So, that's it for the ground floor. Let's go and check out the second floor. For our stairs, complete na rin siya. You have your tiles on the staircase and metal yung ating hand railings, painted metal na naka-duco finish yung hawakan niya, yung hand railings. So on the second floor, yan, pakita ko muna sa inyo. Meron tayong 3 bedrooms. Yan, di ba, ang luwag. At napakaganda kasi hindi masikip yung hallway. Let me show you first the first bedroom. Yan. Kasama na complete finish. Tanggalin mo lang yung kama. The cabinets are included. Diba? Very nice. May tiles na rin tayo. 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. And this is your door. Meron na tayong modular door. And you have your bedroom 2. Kung meron kayong kids, perfect sa kanila to. Tag-isa sila ng kwarto. So, the other bedroom, may 60 by 60 tiles din siya and kasama na yung cabinet sa turnover. So, all rooms talaga kasama na yung cabinet at napakaganda pa dito. 186,000 lang, di ba? Grabe, kung bibili ka ng bahay na complete finish tapos ang ilalabas mo lang 186, eh di panalong-panalo ka na. Wala ka na kasing papagawa, eh lilipatan mo na lang, di ba? This is the toilet and bath on the second floor. Ito na talaga yung maluwag. Kasi ito na yung common bathroom ng 3 kwarto sa second floor. So, complete finish, complete bathroom fixtures. May lavatory ka dyan. Meron kang water closet and complete rain shower na stainless. Yan, ipakita ko rin. Yan na yung mismong mga fixtures na ito turn over. At the same time, meron kang heater outlet. Kung may foreigner kayong kasama sa house, perfect sa kanila to. Elevated yung dry area sa wet area. So kung palalagyan mo to ng divider, glass, shower enclosure, madali na lang yan, okay? And this is where I came from. Pakita ko lang yung size na maluwag. Meron din pala siyang outlet para sa blower, no? May hair blower ka. And finally, the master bedroom. Look at that. Ang luwag, di ba? Itong si Kathleen Place 5 is one of our cute house and lot in Bacoor na talaga namang wala ka nang ipapagawa eh. Lahat kasama na. May cabinet, may balcony, di ba? Dadalhin mo na lang yung mga gamit mo. Bibilihan mo na lang ng mga gamit. And for only 186,000 cash out, napakamura lang yun guys if talagang gusto mong makalipat. Kaya i-grab nyo na itong opportunity. This promo is until end of January. And few units available lang siya. Let me show you the balcony. So, ito na yung balcony natin. Very cute lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang laki. May tiles na rin siya and metal yung hand railing. And this is actually your function area, function hall. Meron tayo ditong amenity na basketball court and function hall, and very small community lang siya. So, if you are interested with Kathleen Place 5, mag-inquire na kayo and let's schedule a viewing because we have number 1, the promo, the low down payment is limited, no? Very few units lang tayo, and yung promo natin hanggang end of the month. So, I'll be posting the computation at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!